Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chocolate-covered strawberries. First, choose about 1 pound of fresh, ripe strawberries with their green stems intact. Gently wash them under cool water, then the most crucial step, dry them completely. Any water will prevent the chocolate from sticking properly, so take your time to pat each berry thoroughly with paper towels. This ensures a perfect, smooth coating. Now, let's melt the chocolate. You'll need about 12 ounces of good quality chocolate, like semi-sweet or milk chocolate chips. You can use a double boiler, stirring until smooth, or microwave it in 30-second intervals, stirring well after each. Be careful not to overheat it. The chocolate should be warm and fluid, not scorching hot. A smooth, glossy consistency is what we are aiming for easy dipping. With your chocolate ready, it's time to dip. Hold a strawberry by its stem and submerge it about 3/4 of the way into the melted chocolate. Gently twist and tap the berry against the bowl's edge to let any extra chocolate drip off. Place it on parchment paper. For extra flair, immediately add sprinkles, finely chopped nuts, or drizzle with white chocolate before the chocolate sets. Get creative with your designs. Once dipped and decorated, let your beautiful creations set. Place them on a sheet of parchment paper. For the chocolate to firm up properly, refrigerate the strawberries for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Once set, they are ready to enjoy. For the best taste and texture, serve these delightful treats within 1 to 2 days. They make a wonderful gift or a special indulgence for any occasion.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.